I wake up around 6:30 a.m. I wake up around 6:30 a.m. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I prepare and eat breakfast. I prepare and eat breakfast. I check my emails and messages. I check my emails and messages. I go to school around 8 a.m. I go to school around 8 a.m. I take a lunch break around noon. I take a lunch break around noon. I finish school and head home around 5 p.m. I finish school and head home around 5 p.m. I go to the gym or do some exercise. I go to the gym or do some exercise. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I spend time on a hobby or watch TV. I spend time on a hobby or watch TV. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.